Hi friends, I have a very cute treat box to share with you today. This is a project that I did at a workshop this past weekend and everyone loved it. The idea for this box came from Angie Juda, Chicken Scratch, and I thought I would do a quick video too. So now I have a piece of Designer Series paper. This is from the Bubbles and Fizz that you can get for free during Sale-a-bration, and I've just put some liquid glue behind it. This measures 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Just gonna put that right on the front. I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, so I am now going to stamp on a piece of Fairy Vanilla cardstock, and this measures 2 by 2 3/4, and I'm using the lovely Wishes stamp set. I'm going to use this image right here. Take my Always Artichoke ink pad. Now I'm taking my Lemon Lime Twist. And I'm taking this image because it's a 2-step stamp set. So I'm going to stamp this one right on top of the first stamp. And just line that up. Perfect. Now I'm taking this stamp right here, and that is what I'm going to stamp the flower, and I'm using Calypso Coral. I'm just going to stamp off on my placemat so that it's not too dark. And stamp it right on top. Okay, so now I'm taking my sweet little something stamp set because it's got a really cute Happy Easter sentiment. So we're going to use that. And I'm going to stamp this with my Calypso Coral as well. Now I'm gluing this piece onto lemon lime cardstock that measures 2 1/4 by 3. Got some Stampin' dimensionals for the back. I'm going to put that on the front of my box. So now I'm taking my Crocodile and punching a hole in the center. Stampin' Up! Does sell small hole punches. I just don't have any. So I'm using what I do have. Taking a piece of my beautiful vanilla ribbon. So now I'm just taking my white twine. I'm going to tie a bow. And again, this is a complete case, complete copy from Angie Juda. She always has great projects. So if you're looking for a cute treat container to put some chocolate Easter eggs in or different treats for this Easter or any occasion, this is a great little box to make. Here's the one we did at our workshop, and we added a little rhinestone on the flower, and the Happy Easter was from Teeny Tiny Wishes, and we just added a little banner. I hope you give these little treat containers a try. They're a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Happy stamping!